If basic steps like restarting your device don't resolve the issue, try clearing the app's cache or data. On Android, navigate to Settings, then Apps, select the problematic app, go to Storage, and clear both cache and data to remove corrupted files. On iOS, you may need to delete and reinstall the app to achieve the same result, as iOS doesn't provide direct cache clearing options. Next, check the app's permissions to ensure it has access to necessary features like camera, storage, or location. On both platforms, go to Settings, find the app, and verify all required permissions are enabled. As a last resort, completely delete and reinstall the app. This removes any corrupted files entirely and provides a fresh installation. After reinstalling, log back in and test the app. If these steps don't work, the problem might be on the app developer's side, such as server outages that affected major apps like Instagram and TikTok. In such cases, wait for updates or contact support.